Yes. We are talking New Zealand today. New Zealand is facing massive skill shortage and they are recruiting. There is a plan to recruit overseas trained professionals. Okay. New Zealand visa is possible. I will tell you that it's easier to get New Zealand visa, work visa, than Australia. Yes. Are you surprised? You're not surprised. New Zealand is a beautiful country, in case you don't know. Okay, a very beautiful country. However, you need a visa for you to go to New Zealand. And for you to get a permanent or temporary resident visa to go to New Zealand, you need a job. So in this video today, we are going to share information regarding New Zealand work visa, how you're going to grab yourself a work visa for New Zealand, whether you are going for permanent resident or temporary resident. After 2 years, you apply for permanent resident. So we'll share websites here today, use New Zealand work website, and also the jobs that will fit you that work visa and the visa process. You can do this yourself. You do not need any agent. I am telling you this. I always say that. So this video today will be very simplified so that you will be able to shoot without looking for any visa agent. All right. If this sounds like something you want to hear, please sit back and let's dig in. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Jane Kenny's Creation, where we keep it real. My name is Jane and I live in Australia, the sister to New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand are very close. Not like they're not close to each other, but they are brothers and sisters. Oh no, they are twin sisters. I will tell you more in this video. Now I want to thank you, my returning subscribers. You guys rock. You guys rock. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel for more to come. All right, do share my video. Please like and share to everyone. The more you share, the more God blesses you. All right, okay, let's talk about New Zealand. Many people don't know about New Zealand. It's always Australia. I want to tell you something. If you are a citizen of New Zealand, you just book a flight and come to Australia and do any job you want to do. No one asks you any questions. Okay, when I say they are sisters, they're actually sisters. I think they are twins actually. Okay, so New Zealand citizens are allowed to come to Australia. If you're a doctor in New Zealand, you come to Australia and practice. If you're a nurse in New Zealand, you come to Australia and practice. Any qualification you got in New Zealand is recognized in Australia. You do not need skill assessment. Okay, actually some people that want to come to Australia and they couldn't get in, they normally go through New Zealand. Once they get what they want, they move into Australia. However, this is not what we are talking today. I just decided to give you this secret in case you don't know. Okay, so we are talking New Zealand. In New Zealand, there is what is called green list. You know the way Australia has skill occupation list and also the priority list. Okay, so New Zealand call their own green list. So in this video today, we're going to cover the green list. Okay, both tier 1 and tier 2, how it applies to your work visa, and also the website you like seriously the New Zealand work website that you will go and get this job. Also the accredited work employers, oh my god, there are so many scammers online, and New Zealand has simplified things for you so that whenever someone say they're employing you, you'll be able to go and check are they actually authentic, and also for you to know the website where you can go, the companies that are permitted to employ overseas trained workers, so you can go there and shoot as well. All right, you know how we do it there. We always go to the site. All right, let's go. Welcome to New Zealand immigration website. So I want to be quick with this website. We are not doing anything on this site, but I just want to show you that this is the only immigration website New Zealand has. You can search any visa here, and if you want to apply for any visa, this is where you come. You can search the visa you want to apply for. You can compare visa here. You can apply for visa here. Visa eligibility and requirement, everything you need about New Zealand visa is in this website, and that is all I want to say about it today. Okay, then let's move to another step. Welcome to New Zealand green list. That is like skill occupation list in Australia. So this is the list of occupation you can get visa on. It has 2 tiers, tier 1 and tier 2. If your occupation falls under tier 1, it means you can apply for permanent residence straight from your hometown or your country of residence. And if it falls under tier 2, you apply for a resident permit for temporary resident. When you come in, you work for 2 years and you go for permanent resident. All right, so these are the list of occupation in tier 1. Okay, has engineering, construction. So there is a list. Okay, I may not be able to go through all the lists, but I just want you to take your time to hit the link. Okay, after watching this video, check the link in the description section and you will see all the occupation in tier 1 and tier 2 so that you know what you are going for. Okay, so if you are lucky enough to find your occupation in tier 1, it means that if you find this job, you are going to New Zealand as a permanent resident. Voila, that's beautiful. Okay, so this is not only for health, so it has engineering, it has construction, it has ICT and electronics communication and so on. It has health as well, so you have different sections and they will pick the occupation in different occupation category. Then when you go to tier 1 again, you will find the same category but different occupation. You see, that's how they do it. Okay, construction workers are also needed, so much needed in New Zealand, just like in Australia. Okay, so you keep going and there is others, categorized as others. See, food technology. Someone made a post on Facebook and asked people that studied food technology in Nigeria, what do they do? I'm like, wow, these people are needed in both New Zealand and Australia. However, let's go to tier 2 occupation. This is the tier 2 occupation. You see, construction, trade, there is so many occupation under this. Okay, yeah, be checking. You'll find out they are different from the construction under tier 1. So for each category, they pick out occupation and categorize them under tier 1 and tier 2. So this trade, there is no trade in tier 1, but there is trade in tier 2. See, there is plumber, general, and so on. Okay, automotive, electronics or mechanic and so on. Then others, we have so many lists of occupation under others. Please take your time to check them. All the link will be in the description section of this video. Take your time. Okay, the next step is finding accredited employers. Remember, the link as well will be dropped. So these are the only employers that can employ you to come to New Zealand. Is arranged in alphabetical order, so you check. Scammers are even interviewing people, then asking them, give them fake employment and ask them to pay money for visa. Oh my goodness, please come here, check the company, find them on Google, go search them, go to their website. If someone said, I'm offering you a job from any of this company, send them email, go and find their contact online. Their contact is even listed here. Send them email to verify and say to them that you are verifying that you got this and that, and from them. Do not pay anybody any money. Okay, search these people, their job website, go to their website, go to their job section, search them and apply for job. Okay, and when you are searching for job as well, look for this company, or you just copy it, go to Google and search. These are the only employers that can give you job in New Zealand as a migrant coming to New Zealand. Please do not take them for granted. Okay, this list should be very important to you. We are moving to the next step. This is welcome to Wellington. Wellington is the capital city of, like, the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. So they have a website. In this website, all I want you to do is click search for job. Okay, then it brings you to Seek website. I will tell you other websites you can search job from. Okay, then you come here and search for job. By now you should be familiar with Seek, so this is Seek New Zealand. Okay, so you search for that job you are looking for in Seek website. Please watch to the end to see another Obonge government website where you can search for job, like the real authentic website apart from all these popular ones. that you can go, and also will help you with a lot of things like preparing for interview, drafting your CV, personal statement, and so on. Okay, however, let's search for jobs. So I search for engineers, and this is what I see: project engineer and so on. Some of you, I noticed that New Zealand doesn't add like visa sponsorship to their job ad most of the time, so it's less for you to go and apply or contact them. So I have tried adding sponsorship. They don't normally add it like Australia. It's not something very unique to them. So you find out a job, make your application, or make a contact. Okay, so when you search a job here, voila, you will see a lot, and you go with that. Okay, there are other websites where you can also search for job. So you already have seek.co.nz, indeed.co.nz, trademe.co.nz/jobs. Now look out for this one I'm about to show you. This one is government website, and it also has even recruitment agents website as well. All right, welcome to careers.gov.nz. okay, in this website you see a lot. This is where you search for jobs. Okay, search for any job here. This is a government website. Anything gov.nz is a government website. However, it has other tools. Look at other tools here in the menu: CV builders, so many other things. Okay, you got to use this website. Like, use it, you will love it. Okay, they prepare you also for interview and so on. We will still search for job. I will still show you how to search for jobs. Another one is curriculum, that is CV builders and reviews, and how to set your profiles, and how to prepare for interviews, and how to start searching for job, and where to search for jobs. There are also profile where you can find agents, but you can decide to search for job here. Any job you search here, you will get. All right, let's search for plumber. Okay, you see that? Result will start pumping in. Okay, and you know what you're searching, you search for it, and here you go. Okay, all right, let's search for another occupation: construction worker. You see, this is a list of construction workers, occupation in construction worker, and this is what you get. Okay, all right, now I want to show you important tools in this website, this careers.gov.nz. okay, so when you go to the menu, go to tools, that will lead you to what I want to show you. Okay, go there. You can also find other websites, other job websites here. Just look very closely. There are so many tools for you to use. Okay, then go to job hunting. I'm sure you know what is job hunting. Okay, that's where you finding work, what to do when finding work. Okay, you see that? You see that? Then job vacancies and recruitment website. Do you see that? Click on it and it will take you to this site. Okay, so these are the list of recruitment websites and job sites as well. So now you have a lot of information to work with. You scroll down, the one that works with you, you go with that. You can go with as many as you want depending on the kind of job you are looking for. If you want to work with recruitment agents, you can chat them, you can create a profile with them, but be careful how you pay. Okay, be very, very careful how you release your money. Okay, so this is it. Now you have enough information to shoot for your New Zealand job. So job before visa. Now you know how to go about New Zealand work visa. Why not try? That brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please do share my video and like it. Until I see you again. Thank you. Bye.